Happy 4th of July. Coming to you from the AMX room in Seattle, Washington. This is skphile. Wishing you all a safe and enjoyable red, white, and blue holiday. With all my red, white, and blue and other colors. AMXs. That, of course, is a Javelin AMX. That's just a Javelin. And that's my favorite race car driver, R.I.P. Mark Donahue. So, I said, how could I use the red, white, and blue theme for something for you to look at on the 4th of July? I said, well, I will give you another tour of the AMX room. This, of course, is the room that I dedicated to my passion, which is my car, my 69 390 AMC AMX. These posters, by the way, were given away at the dealer, and I've been to Elkhart Lake twice, not to see the AMX race, but to see the Penske Donahue number 6 Javelin, and then the number 6 Javelin AMX win 2 races. And that second race was, of course, the championship year when AMC won the first championship. They had a back-to-back run. And that was 72, George Fulmer. So I am going to get another 1/18. It's in the mail from Fairfield Collectibles. And that one is the latest 1/18 available. It's hard to get AMC memorabilia. Original owner's manual. Shirley Shahan, the Drag On Lady. Pete's Patriot. Little one. Now I did include the AMC Rebel 1970. There's the engine. This is a slightly stronger engine than my original before it was rebuilt. This one had, I believe, better intake. And, this is... I saw this one at the 1970 auto show in the new McCormick Place. That was one of my favorite. The guy working on it, just changing the oil. Yeah, this one had the tack on the hood, just kind of cool. If I owned any other AMC, I'd probably want that. The Rebel Machine. Up with the Rebel Machine. They had a little hippie guy carrying a sign. Yeah, I have one of those somewhere. So, that's a tire from the AMX and a wheel and a trim ring. I used to have my dad's, well, I never owned it myself, but we used to have stock. Look at these old stock certificates. I got this one off eBay. They're just so ornate and so cool. But when Chrysler Corporation did their hostile takeover of AMC, they forced everybody to trade in their stock for Chrysler stock. So my mother did it, and so we don't have our original anymore. I own the AMC Hornet hatchback. So this is the 69 up to 69 logo, which I prefer with the old school script. The new logo, starting in 70, was this one, the square one. So sometimes you see 69 AMXs with this logo on it, and it's not right. It's not correct. Gotta go with that one. So, by the way, this is kind of interesting crossover. Get it over here in the light. So this is a Gold Key comic, 25 center. This photo of Spock and Kirk, and that's got to be Spock very early. Okay, and so this is a scientist escapes into time with a doomsday bomb. And look what we have over here. On the cover, we have the AMX. It's a base model, you can tell by the hubcaps. So that's a nice crossover for me because I'm a big Star Trek fan and obviously a big AMX fan. Rarely do they use actual identifiable cars because of copyright problems. But so yeah, and by the way, one more thing, I'll show you. Actually, the light just burned out, but yeah, got all my parts in here, original stuff. This is my latest. It's a cool retro one. I'm sorry it's so dark, but I like these old ones. I wish you probably could still get this one. What am I doing? I'm going to take it out here. Yeah. This one's been through the war. I wore this one a lot. I used to wear this when I drove. I like that. That one. I'm still tired, man. Got a better sleep last night. Went to pain doc. Got a little muscle relaxant and a more powerful painkiller. This is my so I think my third prescription painkiller. Trying to find the magic. So for American Motors, I'm proud to be an American Motors fan. Happy 4th of July. From the AMX room, I'm out.